Hey,
What?
can I borrow some money?
What? Why? Are you broke?
Well, I spent all my money in buying this dress. I'll pay you as soon as I can. Please.
Isn't this your first date?
Yeah?
Then what do you have to worry about? The guys always pay on the first date. It's a given thing.
Well, not necessary. And I don't want to rely on that.
Listen, whatever. Girls don't actually expect to pay. Y'all just reach out for the bag, but we all know y'all don't intend to pay.
Well, I would. And I don't want to be like them.
Listen, he'll be more than happy to pay. So just let him pay. That's it. Problem solved.
You and your clothes, huh? What are you doing?
My clothes as usual.
Acha, listen, Dee.
Hmm?
Now that your birthday is coming, I was wondering, what do you want as a gift, yeah?
सीधे सीधे बोल कितने पैसे चाहिए?
Listen, Dee, every time I come to you, that doesn't mean I want money, yeah? No, but this time you're right. Acha, listen. Give me 3,000 now, please.
3,000. For what?
I have to go for dinner.
2,000, 3,000 bucks for food. What, you're paying for the entire restaurant?
No, Dee. You remember that girl I told you about? I met her last week. She's damn cute, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So basically, I'm going on a dinner date with her.
What? She's going on a date with you.
I saw what you did there. Dee. Very funny, Adi. Listen,
Okay.
give no, please.
What happened to your allowance?
I spent it all, yeah.
You spent it all. Okay. So let me think. So, why don't you just let the girl pay?
Do you don't want to give the money, don't give the money, yeah. But don't talk nonsense, yeah.
Arey, I'm serious. You know what? Girls are all about being equal these days. Trust me.
That doesn't make sense, yeah. It's the first time we're going on a date and you expect me to...
Yeah. Your first time and everything, I know. Okay? But sometimes girls feel that they owe you something when you pay. So just let her pay. She'll be more relaxed.
No, I can't do that. It looks very cheap, yeah. I'm not doing this. I
Cheap.
look like a fool.
You know what? It will make you look totally current and respectful. Trust me, it is just how you say it.
Yeah, obviously you know better because...
Of course, I know better. It will
Are you
make you
sure?
different. Yes, trust me.
I'm trusting you on this one. Well, I must say the dress, it's gorgeous.
The dress.
Well, okay, let's put it like this. It's you that makes the dress look gorgeous.
Thanks. Well, I got this dress today itself.
So you basically went ahead and bought a dress. For today.
Maybe.
Well, that maybe sounded like a yes. Well, I'll just go ahead and get...
No. Oh, I can.
Sure.
What?
Well, it's okay. It's completely fine. You can go ahead and pay the bill.
Well, no, if you want to pay for today, that's so sweet.
Sweet? Are you sure? I mean, I think it's more of a chauvinistic gesture. I mean, I don't want to go ahead and imply anything by, picking up the check. Nor do I want to go ahead and enforce social standards on you.
No. It's not chauvinistic. Chivalrous. I'd be so grateful.
Exactly. Now, that's exactly what I don't want. I don't want you to be grateful. See, I don't want to make you feel as if you owe me something,
Don't be silly. I mean, I just think you're an amazing guy.
Which I am. I'm completely an amazing guy, and being the amazing guy that I am, I just believe that a man should treat a lady with equality and treat her with respect. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So go ahead, pay the bill.
That is so considerate. But I understand that guys like to take care of girls every once in a while.
Yeah, they do. And I would do that too, but I think you're a girl who's really different. and can go ahead and take care of yourself and your boyfriend sometimes.
Yeah. I just thought you might want to make a nice gesture.
I do. I of course want to make a great gesture, but don't you want to be independent?
Don't you want to impress me?
Why don't you split the bill?
हाँ वो कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, listen, by the way, what are you doing next Thursday?
Really?
Next plate.